In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts in Framer. By the end, your brand's typefaces will be available right inside the font picker, ready to use across your designs and pages. Before we start, make sure you have your font files on hand. Framer works well with common formats like OTF, TTF, WAF, and WAF2. If you have multiple weights and styles, keep them together and clearly named. For example, regular, medium, bold, and italic. Also confirm you have the right to use and embed the font on the web, since licenses can vary by typeface. Begin on your Framer dashboard. Look to the top corner of the interface and click your account name or avatar to open the account menu. This menu leads to all of your workspace level options. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the area where you control workspace preferences and resources that projects can share. Fonts live here, so you can manage them in one place. Inside Settings, find and click the Fonts section. This page shows any fonts that are already available and is where you'll add new ones. It's helpful to have your files in a single folder so you can upload everything in one go. Now, click Upload. Select your font files from your computer or drag and drop them into the uploader. You can add multiple weights and styles at once. Framer will process and group them by family name, so consistent file naming helps everything line up correctly. If you see a progress indicator, wait for it to finish so the fonts register properly. If an upload fails, double check the file format, ensure the file names don't include unusual characters, and consider converting to WF2 for best performance. Once the upload completes, your fonts will appear in the fonts list, grouped under their family. From here on out, whenever you select text in your project, you'll find that family in the font picker. Choose the exact weight you uploaded to avoid bold or italic rendering, which can look uneven. If you rely on variable fonts, Framer can read those too, but only the axes you include will be available. A few tips for smooth results. Prefer WAF2 for faster page loads. Upload only the weights you actually plan to use, and keep your family names tidy for easy selection later. It's also good practice to define a sensible fallback in your text styles so content stays readable while the custom font loads. That's it. Click your account name, open Settings, go to Fonts, and hit Upload. Your custom typography is now ready to use in Framer.